Take a guess what one thing I just heard over and over and over and over again in almost 9 hours of sales presentations. Give you a clue. My target market today was entrepreneurs, which, by the way, awesome working with entrepreneurs because y'all a little crazy, a little reckless. You live by the motto FOFO. If you don't know what it is, Google it. Entrepreneurs all had similar problems. They said things like, none of my reps sound the same. I'm tired of being the best salesperson. Don't get me wrong, I love sales, but I wish my reps could do it. Because the entrepreneur feels like, okay, now I've got to be a salesperson and run this business, but I'm hiring people to do the sales. They say reps are talking too much and listening to too little. They don't know how to ask questions. Every process isn't the same. I'm just driving myself nuts with this. Entrepreneurs say this over and over and over again. And then I share maybe a strategy to help. But the thing is entrepreneurs, you guys are interesting beasts because you excel in sales and selling and it's natural to you. And that's probably why you started the dang company, because you could sell. And you didn't have to put up with stuff from another boss or somebody once maybe might have pissed you off and you were like, I don't need this, I'll do my own thing. That's why you don't hire an entrepreneur to work for you, because if they were any good, they would just start their own business. But what you do instead, and what I advise and what I teach on, is you get some great technicians, some things who are the best at what it is you do. Whether you sell HVAC or plumbing or contracting or you're a CPA or an investment advisor, you get the people who are the best at what they do, and then don't teach them sales. Teach them how to persuade. Get this, give them a process. I'm an entrepreneur, I don't have a process. I know, that's why you need people like me. But if you don't use people like me to develop the process, at the very least, get yourself in a room, get a whiteboard, and map out what it is you do. Create your own damn playbook, and then put that playbook as part of your training guide for when you hire these technicians. Your sales will skyrocket. Skyrocket. So if you think that there's a big gap between your top producer and your bottom producer, if you as the executive team are selling more than anybody else, if your turnover is too high, if everybody's doing different things, if you can't measure it, first of all, you can't improve it. But even more beyond that, if you can't measure it, then it's not going to get done anyways. Stop taking your best salespeople and promoting them to management thinking they'll figure it out. No, your best salespeople are just like you. They don't have process. Get some good technicians. Teach them how to persuade a little bit, map it into a process. You'll be better off for it. And if you're looking at me like I'm freaking nuts, number one, I am. Number two, check out leadershipsalestraining.com. We're going to start putting up a bunch of free and easy to use resources, along with what I call the blueprint. And it's basically step by step by step of what you need to do if you're an entrepreneur and you're tired of being your company's top producer because you want to outsource it to others. It's literally step by step of what you can do. Take it from me. I've done it in 110 industries. I've been doing sales training for 15 plus years, and I freaking love helping the entrepreneurs get out of the trap that they accidentally put themselves in. So by all means, if you've got questions, put it in the comments. I'm going to start doing rapid fire videos answering your questions. All that being said, love you. Time for me to go find barbecue because I'm in the Carolinas. And after 9 hours of presenting, I think I'm entitled to some ribs and beer. Let's go. What could go wrong? Bafo.